everyone. In today's video I want to create some more of my own stamp shapes. So I'm going to use my pieces of scrap wood as my handle, and then my self-adhesive foam piece as what I'm going to use to cut out some shapes. So I'm going to just take a little bit of time and measure these out and trim my pieces, and then decide on what designs I want on each of these. So it's going to just take me a little bit, but I'm going to flip it over. So this is the adhesive side. There's a cover on it that you peel off. So I'm just going to kind of mark a little bit so I know how big to cut out. And then I will just start working on my shapes, and then we're gonna add paint and see how that works out. Okay, so I have both of those cut. The foam cuts really easily, so that's fun. You could really print out or draw any design that you want and just trace it on the back of here. So I'm going to grab a couple of pieces of paper and some paint. I definitely want to do some green paint with this one, and I think I'm going to do some white paint with this one. And I will see how well these work for patterns. Alright, so I'm going to do the white one first, and I'm just going to use my brayer to just smooth out my paint and hopefully just get a nice layer on here. Oh, that'll work nicely. I wanted to use the foam because I didn't want the paint to be touching the wood, because I'd rather just keep the design, but that worked super well. Gonna do a nice dark background here, and oh, nice. Okay, man, this would be so easy. Just do all sorts of shapes and designs that you want, and it fills up these small book pages really well. Gonna do a little bit more on here. Oh, I could tell that one, it didn't smudge too bad. It felt like it smudged when I put it down, but that still turned out really nice. I'm excited to use the leaf one. I think that could be really pretty for cutting out some flower shapes too. All right, let's get that out of the way. Okay, so far this first one worked really well. I'm going to rinse off my brayer so that I don't, actually I'm going to leave it. I'm going to let the white paint sit on there also, and it'll just blend with the green, but I have some pages that I'm going to use for that. That one turned out really nice. Okay, so let's do this one. I also have my turquoise that I like using, so I can always just grab a few different colors. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. Okay, so let's just try and stay on our... There we go. And I'm going to do this one right in the middle and just see what it looks like. Ooh, that is cute. Okay. So I could see doing two stamps and having these go one way and these going the other way, and then doing some different designs like that. Let's get some more green on here. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I think if you could cut out some flower petals, some small flowers, you could do all sorts of fun designs with this one. But I'm going to stamp just a few more on this one and kind of fill in my page a little bit. Yeah, that turned out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. This worked really well. That foam is just super easy to cut. You can make all sorts of shapes with these and just make your own stamp. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.